My name is Elano, aka Lil E, aka Elo. You can go to my Facebook at Elano Anderson. Let me show you how this go. Freestyle. Yeah. Yeah. My little cousin Pork Chop, he eats mashed potatoes on the block, handing up them payloads, getting me some payloads, thinking about the children. You know I got that million, got stacking money to the ceiling. Don't mess with me, cause I am Little E. Got that heat in my pocket, knock him on his pockets, man. He don't wanna see me. He talk a lot of stuff, but he ain't about that life. White glasses, earrings, $250 for my shoes, $100 for my shirt. You don't wanna mess with me. I see him on the street. Yeah, I'm giving him a 2-piece, and his friends can get it too. With my family and my friends, we walking to the park. Don't let me see you. I'ma knock you out. I don't care what he is. I don't care who he hang out with. They gon' get dropped too if I see him and you. So don't mess with him. Don't mess with me. If you do on both sides, I'll punch you in your teeth. Have my little homie drop you on your feet. Yeah, knock you off your feet. Yeah. Drill Squad, what you mean? We up on here getting that money, stacking money to the ceiling, thinking about the children. Already got $1 million. You know I got billions, trillions.